Kingdom. Woo! Woo! A bird. There's the tree of life. Braxton immediately found the cars. Our rooms. He left those cars. Going to Africa. There's Timon.
Cool.
At the Starbucks. Get Auntie.
Oh wow.
Oh, it's good. What is that?
Mango dragon fruit.
Mmm, yum. Dragon fruit? What do we got? Dragon fruit? Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where's the monkey go?
There's a monkey?
Yeah, right there. Off to the safari. We're in Africa. Braxton, welcome to Africa.
We are currently here in Safari. Here's Braxton. Whoa. Mama, Lana, Jessica, Daniel, Maddie, Ashua. We're moving.
Here we are, in line. How's the line going?
Fantastic.
Moving along.
It's honestly not that bad of a line. Could be worse.
Finally made it to the ride.
For a safari, right?
Hello everybody, good afternoon. Welcome to Kilimanjaro Safari. My name is Jensen. I'll be your safari guide.
How long was the wait?
2 hours.
2-hour wait in line.
Hi guys, how you doing? Awesome. Look above your heads and you'll see an animal spotting guide. This is not allowed to stop and retrieve it. And as you can see, we're not on a track. We're in our fingernail. Black rhinos. The lick is called a prehensile lick. It helps them poop. Safety and the animal safety. Bye bye. Twiggers. Giraffes, the tallest animals in the world. A tower is a group of giraffes. Alright, let's get out of here.
Yeah, Braxton.
Alright folks, check this thing. Mud, dirt, or even sand on their backs. And that's ice. Which means white in Afrikaans, white like their mouth. Oh my god. They charge it. The white rhino. Stand out there.
What'd you think?
Amazing.
It was worth every moment in the line.
Worth the 2-hour wait?
Worth it.
100%.
100%. Made it to Asia. There's Braxton. He's having a great time.
You can get it without.
Look at that bird. Going to Gorilla Falls.
Stroller.
Gonna go see some gorillas. Hopefully.
Oh, you might be sleeping. Head following.
To Dino Land now. Oh, look at those monkeys.
Going.
Here we go. First little ride in Dino Land. Taking a break to watch Finding Nemo. You excited? Oh, it comes out. That's dispenser. Oh.
Who's this?
I'm
Nemo. I think Braxton loved it. I might have fallen asleep. Oh well. We are now going to see if we can get on the rapids. Here we go. Getting on the rafts.
No line.
No line. Got completely soaked and it started raining at the same time. Lana, how is it? It's like 5 p.m. too, so we're not gonna be getting any warm weather. Okay, we made it to Pizza Safari. We went rafting and it started raining and then we're all soaked. Braxton finally fell asleep, but we're waiting on our pizza.
Bottle water. Wait.
Good, everybody good? Nice.
Spray might be a little. Do you need extra condiments?
We have made it to the flight of passage. We're in line. Check this guy out. What on earth?
Look at that hair.
We're waiting in line for the ride. What? Lana and Braxton had to head home with my parents. They were getting pretty exhausted and wet as well.
So now they're 3.
So the hardcore 3 are left. And this guy hanging out in the tub. Going up the stairs.
3. Oh, 5.
Check. See them now. We have new
Just got done with the flight of passage. What did you think? No.
We're no way.
Wow, that was pretty phenomenal.
Amazing.
Definitely go check it out. That was pretty epic. It's like 40, getting sprayed with stuff, smelling things, flying through the next world. It's pretty crazy, so go check it out. I want to make sure I got something for Braxton. So I got the Safari collectible figurines with Mickey and Minnie, Daffy, Goofy. I think it's a nice little gift for him. I hope he likes it. Getting some gifts and then we're heading out of Animal Kingdom. Had an awesome time. That's right. Alright, bye.